Hey guys, welcome back. If you are learning to code, you are maybe making one of these five mistakes. And here the crazy part. Most beginners don't even know it. These small mistakes make you feel stuck. They make you feel confused. They make you think coding is not for you. But it is for you. You just need to fix these five things. Let's get into it. Mistake number one, copy pasting code without understanding it. I get it, it's fast, it's work, you move on. But here's the problem. Next time to see a similar bug, you get stuck again. Why? Because you never learn the logic, you just use someone else's code. Coding is not about memorizing, it's about understanding why it's work. So here's the fix. Next time you copy something, stop. Go line by line, ask yourself, what is this line doing? Even 30 extra seconds of thinking will save you hours later. Mistake number two, missing the basics and jumping straight into big projects. I know building a big app sounds exciting, but without the basic variables, loop, functions, you are building a house on sand. You will get 5 steps in, then you hit a wall. You feel upset, you think you are not smart enough. That is not true. You just forget a step. Master the basic first. Small projects, simple exercising. Boring, I know, but this is what makes the fun stuff possible later. Mistake number three, ignoring error messages. You see a big red error, you panic. You Google the whole thing without even reading it first. But here's the secret. Error messages are trying to help you. They tell you what's wrong. They tell you which line to check. Next time you see an error, take a breath, read it thoroughly. 9 times out of 10, the answer is right there. Learning to read errors carefully it is a big level up movement. It's how you become a real programmer. Mistake number 4, comparing your progress to other people. You see someone online building a app in a weekend and you think, why can't I do that? Here's the truth. You don't see their years of practice. You don't see their failed projects. You only see the highlight reel. Comparing yourself like this kills your motivation fast. And motivation is your fuel. So focus on your path. Are you better today than last week? That is the only comparison that matters. And mistake number 5, the biggest one, never building real projects. Many beginners watch tutorials after tutorials, but they never open a blank file. They never try building something on their own. Watching someone code is not the same as coding yourself. It's like watching gym video and assuming to get stronger. It doesn't work that way. So here is your homework. After this video, pick one small project, a to-do list, a calculator, a small game. It doesn't matter how small, just build it yourself. No tutorial holding your hand. That is where real learning happens. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Number 1, don't copy paste without understanding. Number 2, don't miss the basics. Number 3, read your error messages. Number 4, stop comparing yourself to others. Number 5, actually building things. Fix these 5 mistakes and I promise your coding path gets so much smoother. If this helps you, hit that like button. Subscribe if you are new and tell me in the comments which mistake are you guilty of. See you in the next video.